Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to iron a zip-up hoodie only way. Place the hoodie flat on a clean ironing board and zip it closed so seams stay aligned. Set your iron to a low steam setting and test a hidden spot for safety. Work in sections, smoothing fabric with your hand before pressing. Use short, gentle strokes and avoid ironing over zippers directly to prevent snags. Start by laying the hoodie flat and covering sensitive areas with a thin pressing cloth to prevent shine. Iron the shoulder area and chest panels first, moving down in straight, gentle strokes to avoid stretching. Unzip sleeves slightly if necessary to reach seams without stressing the zipper. Work on the hood and cuffs last, using steam sparingly and shaping edges with light tugs so the hoodie looks neat and relaxed. If you're finding this helpful, please like and subscribe to support more practical guides. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite is perfect for reading while your laundry cycles or while you wait for pressed areas to cool, and it pairs nicely with a cozy hoodie. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab one if you're interested. Now let's get back to the video. After ironing, place the hoodie on a padded hanger and zip it up to hold the shape while it cools. Allow the garment to rest for several minutes so fibers relax and creases set properly. If any stubborn wrinkles remain, use a burst of steam and a brief, gentle press with the cloth in place. Store folded only when fully cool to prevent new creases from forming and to keep the zipper functioning smoothly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.